EarthQuaker Devices developed a disaster transport digital delay to reflect the sounds of a vintage tape echo, but without the cost and reliability issues of an analog unit. The Disaster Transport and Disaster Transport Junior are no longer in production, so you'll have to hit the used market if you want to find one. We've teamed up with the folks at EarthQuaker to re-release them in the form of a DIY kit. The kits come with the same circuit boards and components EQD used on the originals. Our easy-to-follow instructions break the builds into detailed steps. And our technical team is available to offer support should you need it. Boy, these things sound really, really great. Analog voiced with an all analog signal path, long delays, short delays, nice slapback for a rockabilly kind of sound, super flexible and super fun. This is the Disaster Transport Junior. It is a compact version of the Disaster Transport. It has a time, repeats, mix, and a tone knob that really helps clean up the signal for extra clarity when you're using a more distorted sound. Now we're going to switch it out to the Disaster Transport. The modulation side has a rate, which controls the speed of the tremolo. It also has a depth that you can dial in either a very subtle or a pretty heavy version of the effect. These things sound really, really great, and they're really convincing. If you know anything about tape echoes, you get some pretty accurate sounds out of these. I'm going to start leaving my Echoplex at home from now on.